Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Google Chrome error, and the error is "oh snap, something went wrong while displaying this web page," and the error code is status stack buffer overrun. So if you're getting this error in Google Chrome, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix to run this program in compatibility mode for Google Chrome. So in Windows search type Chrome, then open the file location, and here you will see the Google Chrome. Right click on it and then select properties, and then go to the compatibility tab and make sure run this program in compatibility mode for is uncheck. If it is ticked mark, then untick it and then hit on apply. Okay, and then launch Google Chrome and then check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to clear the site cookies for which you are getting this error. So here how to do it: open Google Chrome, click on this three dot, then click on settings, then go to privacy and security, then click on third party cookies, then click on see all site data and permissions. Here you can see filter sites on page. So if you're getting the error on a specific website, then search that site. For example, if you're getting the error in Facebook, then type Facebook, and next to facebook.com click on this trash icon and then click on delete to confirm it. So you have to search the website name for which you are getting this error and then click on this trash icon to clear it. And then you can go to website and check if your error is fixed or not. Fix 3 is to clear the browser data. So again open Chrome, click on this three dot, go to settings, go to privacy and security, click on delete browsing data, click on this more option and then select all time, and then check mark all this option and then click on delete from this device. And after deleting the browsing data, then you can go ahead, launch the Google Chrome again and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily fix Google Chrome error something went wrong while displaying this web page, error code status stack buffer overrun. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.